Kajol and Ajay Devgan's love story is one of Bollywood's most enduring and private partnerships. Over 2 decades together, the couple has managed to maintain a relationship that is steady, low-key, and full of trust. However, recently, their thoughts on marriage and love have sparked significant debate, drawing attention to how modern relationships are evolving. Kajol made headlines when she shared her thoughts on the concept of marriage during an appearance on Too Much with Twinkle and Kajol, alongside Vicky Kaushal and Kriti Sanon. When Twinkle Khanna posed the question, should marriage have an expiry date and a renewal option, Kajol didn't hesitate to voice her agreement. "I definitely think so. What guarantees that you'll marry the right person at the right time? A renewal option would make sense, and if there's an expiry date, no one has to suffer for too long," Kajol responded, sparking a wider discussion. Her comments struck a chord with many, as it highlighted how marriage and relationships are viewed differently today. Kajol's stance suggested that an expiry date on marriage, with an option to renew, could help couples avoid staying in unhappy or incompatible relationships for too long. Of course, not everyone agreed. Vicky Kaushal, Kriti Sanon, and Twinkle Khanna disagreed with her view, yet Kajol stood firm in her belief. This sparked a broader conversation about how modern relationships are evolving in the face of changing expectations and shifting societal norms. Around the same time, Ajay Devgan shared his own perspective on relationships and love during an interview with A. Madhavan. Ajay reflected on how the emotional vocabulary surrounding love has changed over the years. "From what I see, it has become more casual than it was. The word love has been used so much unnecessarily that it has lost its meaning. In our generation, saying I love you was a big deal. Now people don't understand the depth of that word, it's overused," Ajay remarked. His comments shed light on the changing way people use the word love today. While in the past, saying "I love you" was a significant and meaningful expression, today it has become more casual, often paired with emojis or used without the same depth. Despite differing opinions on the subject of marriage and love, both Kajol and Ajay's relationship remains a testament to the fact that true love can endure even as times change. Their love story began in 1995 on the sets of Halchal, where what started as an unusual friendship between Kajol and Ajay gradually blossomed into a deep and trusting partnership. The couple married in 1999, away from the prying eyes of the media, and have since built a beautiful life together. As parents to Nyasa and Yug, they've successfully balanced their careers, family life, and personal space, maintaining a relationship that continues to grow and evolve with time. Kajol and Ajay's enduring bond serves as proof that while relationships may look different in today's world, the core of true love, trust, understanding, and mutual respect remains timeless. While Kajol and Ajay may have differing views on marriage, their long-lasting partnership proves that love is a journey that adapts and evolves. Their relationship exemplifies how love can grow stronger over time, despite the changing definitions and expectations around it. In a world where relationships are constantly shifting, Kajol and Ajay remain an example of a love that continues to thrive, showing that no matter the changing times, the foundation of love can always endure.